Hello everybody, let's cut it out. Now if you were with me for the last one, I thought I was going to harvest and then glue at the same time. So now we're going to just harvest. I don't even have the glue book, so I am forced to just harvest. So we're just going to harvest. Now, if I feel like it, though, I'll break out. I'm going to go on a cruise. I will, let's see. I will bring it out, but right now I'm going to rest easy. Oh, I can see we already doing. we have already started. You know, I get a little silly when it does that. I like this. She's reading a magazine right there, and then I like those. I'm gonna rest easy, and I'm going to cut these out. Specifically, I'm going to cut her out, and then maybe I'll cut the rest at a later date. See, she's reading a book. Now, what is this? Pepperoni pizza dip. I'm a reserve judgment. I just rather have a pizza. The Nook. Okay. Happy place found. Okay. What's a new skill or hobby you've always wanted to try? I'm thinking, I don't know. How about you guys? Let me know down below what's a new skill or hobby you've always wanted to try. 'Cause I can't think right now which hobby I've always wanted to try. I think I would have done it. I would have tried it. And she's dancing. Look at her. My go-to Saturday Night Fever soundtrack. But the little kitty is like, what are you doing? Okay. Like this. Ooh, there is good pictures. Give a shelter dog their home sweet home. I gave shelter cats their home sweet home. This is cute. I'm going to do the home sweet home. Always adopt, never buy. That's what it says there. And then this little book nook, the now, everything that's topping our radar. Yeah, reading nook. That's a cute look. Ooh, I would have loved this as a little kid. These are mini little tiny books. And a mini, we would call it a craft cart. But see, the book community has, I'm going to say, I could be wrong. Taken our craft carts and made them book cards, but that's fine. I've tried to put my books in another kind of craft card, and they didn't fit like as neatly as these. Probably because I don't like little. Oh well, these are minis for one, and then I like reading trade paperbacks. And this is cute. I may try that, but I think that is cuter. That is a bigger picture of what we already cut out. A new book about menopause. Now I'm going to knock on wood. Y'all, I didn't go through, I'm not periodic anymore, but I didn't go through, I didn't have, I'm going to knock on wood, bad menopause. I just stopped, you know. I like that. I like that. I liked it. And I pray I don't. I remember my mother. Oh, we were traveling somewhere because I used to travel with her when she had to go. She was a regional manager where she had to go to some places. I would travel with her sometimes. And I remember one time, oh, she was burning up, but it was winter. And I was like, man, it's freezing. We fussed. But so all I remember is her going through that for a while. Not a long while. And I didn't go. I hope I don't. I hope I don't, because it's been many, many years. So I hope I don't. That is cool. I like that. I like these pictures. OMG. In the middle of everything. This is cute. It's in Illinois. On Route 66. I like to go down Route 66. They say there's a lot of fun things like that. Oh, look at that. Yoga mat equals puzzle mover. Also, they have, okay, they sell puzzle, I have to read that later. Puzzle mats like that, probably cheaper than a yoga mat. Oh, is that the jigsaw puzzle is $40. A new use for an old thing. I may have to cut that out. The middle of everything. You know, I like to find new uses for an old thing. My old projects. I have my mini albums. I'll list it right here if you want to see that I try to breathe new life into. Oh, 1 second. Oh. Okay. I'll cut the elephant out later, the pink elephant. Then Kayshawn offers us some good home checks to do now that it's spring. Oh, he looks board games that your pup spend too much time sleeping. Oh, or staring into the distance. I'm gonna get a picture of him. Encourage extra nosiness. I've never heard of these books. Okay. I like this. But I'll cut that out later. Oh, I love the color here. I'll probably cut that out later as well. Soup it up. How to handle it. Experts weigh in with advice for your social dilemmas. I'm going to read this later. But I'm going to get the picture. I don't like real pictures in my, ooh, It's a good coupon. Oh, I'm glad I looked on that side. I'd rather have her. I'll cut her out better later. Oh, that looks good. Roasted beet and carrot salad with burrata. Ooh, that looks really good. Look at her. I like this picture. It's rather large. I'll break it up. There's a lot of good, because you know I love artist renditions of people, not actual people. I love that. And this blue. I'll get this later. Wow, this magazine. It's the best time to shower. I'd be a team both. The pads. The best time to shower. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta get the gunk off from the day. Ugh. And sometimes, but definitely in the morning before you start out. Then you have to always take it in the morning. But then there's sometimes both. Depends on what kind of job you have to. Don't get mad. Oh, I already saw that part. Alright, we did pretty good, well with this magazine. All these will be cut up for different things. But we have her, coffee, Miss Lady moisturizing, paddle balls, the friends discussing something serious, old Pooch is bored, at a bookshop reading or library. She's dancing it up. It plays. And this is a smaller picture of her. I like this one. I had a good time with that one. Well, thank you for watching. And we're going to see where we could put these in due time. I'm not going to rush and get them up now. But these were really good pictures. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm in my happy place that I found. See, at least I wasn't that goofy through the whole thing. I found these. Alright, I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you made it this far, oh wow. If you made it this far, I can give you a rock star. So if you want to, you can leave a scissors emoji or a wave emoji or a glue book emoji. And I will talk to you later. Bye.